Hello, everybody. It's Stephanie Graham, CEO and founder of the Keepsake Business Academy, and this is part of our Lunch and Learn series for January 2024. Today's tip is offering discounts and promotions. Now, there's different ways that you can do this. First of all, know who your customers are. Some customers don't care about discounts. Believe it or not, there are people out there that don't care about coupons and discounts. They're not out there to save money. But we're talking about the ones that do, right? How can you do this? So memory bears and keepsakes specifically can be a little bit trickier than a normal type of hobby business or craft business. Whereas like a craft business, you kind of know the inventory. You have maybe 1,000 of the same scrunchies or 20,000 of the same wooden ornaments, that kind of thing. You kind of got inventory stock all over the place, and it's easier for you to run coupons and discounts and things like that. But when it comes to memory bears and such a customized service, you might be like wondering, how are you going to do this? And so here's an idea. So I really talk more about this with my students, but for the Lunch and Learn, everything's like less than 10 minutes. But think about what's happening for your customers today. They might not celebrate Christmas. They might celebrate a different holiday. They may not celebrate anything. They also may be looking for a discount on a larger order or not, So know what it is your customer wants. You want to think about key shopping seasons and holidays that align with your customer. I know this sounds like a no-brainer, but sometimes when you're working with memory bears, you kind of get in this rut of, well, I really don't have stock to offer for a discount. How do I do this without losing money? Well, first of all, it starts with your customer and the pricing structure. If you're already offering a memory bear that's under $50, you're really going to lose money. I'm just being honest. If your memory bears are less than $50, at least here in the US, chances are you're not even making money and you just have an expensive hobby. So know, first of all, is this a hobby, a nonprofit, an outreach, or is this a business where you have to pay taxes and you have to put a roof over your head and take care of your family? So start with that first, and then know your customer, and then know what they celebrate, what is important to them. You can offer a discount like dollars off, a free shipping, a percentage off. You can offer a special promotion. If you're new or you just started adding a new product, you can promote the new product to your customer base by saying, you know what, if you buy a memory bear at X amount of dollars, I will gift you a free ornament made from the fabric scraps. Think of things like that you can do. Just keep in mind that you don't want to do this all the time, because then people will get used to, oh, it's just another deal, I'll get it later. So you don't want to do that. Offer a tiered discount based on the purchase. So if you're thinking about bundles, think about, limited time only, order a memory and get a free ornament for this special week of July 4th, Christmas in July maybe. And then think of ways you can continue building, like a loyalty program. That way it will incentivize your customers to return, but also will give a sense of community around your brand. Make sure you effectively communicate this. I'm hoping by this point you have a website with a newsletter, so whoever visits your website that might want a keepsake is already signed up for your newsletter list. Have a special discount for newsletter subscribers. If you use a third-party shop like Etsy or eBay or Shopify, think of different ways that you can reach out to those customers offering a special discount. One thing I like to do is kind of offer a discount two different ways. I have a discount for my newsletter subscribers, and I have a discount for Etsy individuals. Rarely does Etsy and my newsletter, it's rarely that they are the same customer. Like, it's rare that Sally's going to be on both of them. So this lets me and my business know where the customers are coming from and what discount is working the best. And then I can alter my marketing and advertising around that information. So think of like a loyalty program. Get repeat customers coming back. So if you only offer memory bears, it's a little odd, right? You're like, well, if they have their bear, why would they want to come back? But you have to remember, Sally knows a cousin who knows a friend who works with somebody else, and they're connected on Facebook. So you can offer that return customer a discount for family and friends of theirs. So kind of think about where you're at in your company or your business, your inventory, the income you want to make. Be realistic on if you're going to make money or lose money. Again, if you're losing money, it's not really a business. So make sure you know what you're doing. Just don't go and copy another memory bear keepsake business owner because they're doing it. You don't know their financials. You don't know what's working for them. It may not work for you. So keep that in mind. Again, StephanieGrahams.com, free newsletter. You can find out more about the keepsake business industry. See you next time.